So hello ninjas, once again welcome back to the Web3 YouTube channel, and in this particular video we are going to explore the injective ecosystem on the Galaxy platform. So recently we already made multiple videos about the injective, but recently injective launched its new quest which is live on the Galaxy platform, and is in this video we are going to check out what is the quest about. As you can check out here, it is Helix early Discord supporter. So I will tell you how you can grab this exclusive on-chain achievement token ode from this of the early supporter of Helix Discord. So let me first tell you something about the injective. If you are new to injective and don't know what actually injective is, so let me tell you a brief intro about the injective. So injective is basically a very fast interoperable layer on blockchain, and which is optimized for building the Web3 finance applications, okay, like decentralized applications for the finance. And injective provides developers with powerful play and plug modules for creating the unmatchable apps or D apps, we can check out say here. And injective is backed by Binance Labs, and as you can check out here, Pantera Labs and Mark Cuban, etc., etc. So there are very used and strong backers of injective. Okay, so it was a basic and brief intro about the injective. Now let's directly head towards the what actually the task here, which is launched by the injective for the Helix early Discord user. So let me show you here, and as you can see, around 1300 users already participated in this task. So let me show you how you can participate. So Helix early Discord supporter built on Helix is basically a decentralized application which is built on the injective blockchain. And you can check out, like, say that Helix is basically an exchange where you can trade in the pairs, like, which are not actually live in the market. Okay, like you can do perpetual trading there before actually listing of that particular coin in the market. Okay, so it is a very popular decentralized exchange. Also you can do swaps on the Helix D app and multiple things. So as you can see here, Helix is built on the injective, and it is the premier decentralized crypto exchange for crypto assets as well as for perpetual markets. And you can just become an early supporter of Helix. Okay, and you just need to join the Discord server of Helix here. Also you can visit the injective guild here, where you can grab the role of Helix early supporter. Okay, so for getting this exclusive vote, you just need to follow the injective on Twitter account, which I am already doing. You just need to follow Helix app on the Twitter account, which is I already am doing. And then you need to join the Telegram account of the Helix app on Telegram. Okay, once you join the Telegram account, just open your application and search this username and join the group. And once you're done, you can just verify this task instantly. Then let's move towards the another task. Here you need to become the member of the Helix Discord, and you need to grab a member role there. So just join the Discord server, verify yourself as human, okay, not as vote. And then you will get the Helix member role, and then come back here and verify this quest as well. Once you are done with all these quests, now you are left with very basic quest. Okay, like you just need to visit the Helix trading application page and injective bridge, and also you need to visit the injective bridge and deposit assets to injective. So let me show you how you can just do it. So just click on the link and you will be redirected toward the injective bridge app page. So it is the link bridge.injective.network. Here you can do bridging from the injective and other EVM chains. So let me show you and guide you how you can complete the bridging from the injective to other chains, and from other chains to the injective as well. Okay, so let the page load first. So the other task are very simple and easy to do. Like you just need to like the post, you need to retweet the post, and you can complete this all these tasks in just 2 or 3 minutes. It will hardly take you 2 or 3 minutes. So just complete this task and don't miss, because you are going to get the early Discord supporter role here. Okay, also you can refer out your friends in the for the quest, and you're going to get one exclusive vote for each referral and 5 loyalty points also. So don't miss this chance. Okay, so here is the website of injective. So first you need to connect out your injective wallet. Here you can collect out MetaMask, as well as you can connect out injective wallets like Kepler, Leap wallet, Ninja wallet. Okay, so you can connect out any of your wallets, and then you can just select from where you need to visit, you want to bridge. Like from Ethereum, select how many dollars you want to bridge. Okay, and then click on write down your recipient address, and you can deposit here. And all similarly you can also withdraw from the injective chain to the other chains, and the method is almost same. Okay, so you can try out the injective bridge as well. Okay, I will put the link of this campaign page in the directly in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And that's all for today's video, friends. Thank you for watching.